Password, how to use NordPass Password Generator. NordPass Password Generator is a handy tool for creating strong, random passwords. Here's how you can use it, using NordPass Password Generator. 1. Access the password generator, open your NordPass browser extension and click on Tools rightward arrow Password Generator. Alternatively, you can use the NordPass desktop app and find the generator under the Tools section. You can also access it online. Here, https://nordpass.com/password-generator. 2. Customize your password, choose the length, longer passwords are more secure. Select character types, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols. Enable avoid ambiguous characters if needed. 3. Generate and use your password, click generate to create a strong password. Copy and use it for your accounts. If you have NordPass, it will store the password securely for future use. NordPass also offers password health checks and data breach scanning to keep your credentials safe.